Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Sensei. I'm Emily, and I'm really happy you're here today. This is a quiet space, a safe space. You don't need perfect English here. Just relax. Just listen. And if you enjoy learning English like this, slowly and naturally, you can like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack. And yes, please relax. You don't need to speak. You don't need to answer. Just listen like you're sitting with two friends and drinking tea.
Jack, today I want to talk about something very simple but very powerful. It's about how we talk to people. Not grammar, not big words, but how we feel when we talk.
Oh, I already feel nervous because talking to people is hard for me sometimes.
That's okay. Many people feel the same. Let me ask you something. Have you ever met someone who didn't say anything special, but you still felt comfortable with them?
Yes, actually, yes. They didn't tell jokes, they didn't try to impress me, but I felt safe, calm.
Exactly. That feeling is very important. Today, we'll talk about why that happens and how you can create that feeling for others, even with simple English.
That sounds good. Because sometimes I feel people don't understand me, or they think I'm strange or quiet.
Let me explain one idea first. It's a little abstract, so I'll make it very simple. The word is impression. Impression means the feeling people get about you very fast, like in the first few seconds.
Oh, like when you meet someone and you think, I like this person. Or, hmm, I feel uncomfortable.
Yes, that's an impression. And here's the interesting part. Most impressions are not about your words. They are about your signals.
Signals?
Signals are small messages your body and voice send. For example, your face, your eyes, your hands, your voice tone.
So even when I don't speak, I'm still talking?
Yes, exactly. Even silence talks. For example, if someone looks at the floor and speaks very softly, people may think they are nervous, even if they are not.
Oh no, that sounds like me.
And that's okay. There is no blame here. This is not about changing who you are. It's about understanding what people see and feel.
Okay, I like that. No pressure.
Good. Now let's talk about a word many people feel. Awkward. Awkward means you don't know what to do. You feel uncomfortable. You don't know where to put your hands. You don't know what to say.
That is me in parties. I stand there, I hold my phone, I look busy.
Many people do that. But here's something important. Awkward does not mean bad. It only means untrained.
Untrained?
Yes, like cooking. If you never cooked before, you feel awkward in the kitchen. But that doesn't mean you're stupid. It just means you need practice.
That makes sense. So social skills are like cooking skills.
Exactly. They can be learned.
Okay, that already makes me feel better.
Now, let's talk about something very small but very powerful. Your face when you are doing nothing.
My face?
Yes, your resting face. Resting face means how your face looks when you are not smiling, not talking, just listening.
Oh no, I think my face looks angry.
Many people have that. Some people look sad. Some look tired. Some look angry. But it doesn't mean they are angry or sad. It's just how their face rests.
But people don't know that, right?
Exactly. So people may think, oh, Jack looks upset, even when you feel fine inside.
That happens to me. People ask, "Are you okay?" And I say, "Yes, I'm okay," but they don't believe me.
That can be tiring. So here's a gentle tip. In first meetings, you can help your face a little. Just a little. You don't need a big smile. Just soften your eyes. Lift your face slightly.
So, not fake smiling?
Correct. Fake smiling feels strange. It doesn't help. A soft, natural face is enough.
I like that. Soft face. That sounds easy.
Good. Now let's talk about another word, confidence. Confidence means you feel okay with yourself. You don't feel perfect, but you feel okay.
I thought confidence means speaking loudly and strongly.
That's a common idea. But real confidence can be quiet, calm, relaxed.
Oh, I like that version better.
Me too. One simple sign of confidence is your shoulders. If your shoulders are very high and tight, you look nervous. If they are relaxed, you look calm.
Oh, when I drop my shoulders, I actually feel better.
Yes, your body and feelings talk to each other.
That's interesting.
Now let's talk about hands. Many people don't know what to do with their hands.
I hide them in pockets or behind my back.
That's very common. But hands are friendly. When people see your hands, they feel safer.
Safer?
Yes, open hands mean openness. You don't need big movements. Just let your hands be visible.
So I don't need to act like a speaker on stage.
Number. Just be natural.
That feels possible.
Good. Now, I want to talk about something emotional. Feeling liked. Liked means people feel positive about you.
I worry about that a lot.
Most people do. But here's a secret. People who are liked usually like others first.
Wait, so being liked is not about being interesting?
No, it's about being interested.
Oh.
Let me explain. If you look at someone and think, I don't like people, others feel that. But if you look at someone and think, I want to understand you, they feel that too.
So liking is a choice.
Yes, a small choice. For example, saying, oh, that's interesting, or I didn't know that.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. It takes practice.
I think I can practice that.
That's enough for now. We've talked about feelings, faces, shoulders, hands, and liking. In the next part, we'll talk about words. Simple words that make people feel warm and comfortable. So, Jack, we were just talking about words. Simple words. Not big grammar, not perfect sentences, just small words that help people feel comfortable.
I'm listening. Because sometimes I speak English and people understand my words, but I still feel something is missing.
That something is often warmth. Warmth means people feel relaxed with you. They feel safe. They feel accepted.
Warmth. Okay. But how do I show warmth with easy English?
Let me give you one very simple phrase. I like that. When someone tells you something and you say, I like that, it tells them, I like you. I'm with you.
That's it? Just, I like that?
Yes. For example, someone says, I wake up early and drink tea. You can say, oh, I like that. Sounds calm.
That feels natural. I can do that.
Good. Another phrase is, that makes sense. Sense means something feels logical or clear.
So if someone explains something slowly, I can say, that makes sense.
Exactly. It tells them you are listening. You are not judging.
I like that phrase already.
Now, here's something interesting. Many people think good conversation is about talking, but it's mostly about listening.
I hear that a lot, but I don't always know how to show I'm listening.
That's normal. Listening is not just silence. Listening has small signs, like nodding slowly, saying, or repeating one word they said.
Repeating?
Yes, if someone says, my job is stressful, you can say, stressful? Not like a question, just gently.
Oh, so they feel heard.
Exactly. Heard means they feel you understand them.
That feels powerful, but simple.
That's the best kind of English. Powerful and simple.
Emily, can I ask something a bit personal?
Of course.
Sometimes when I talk to people, I feel they don't like me, even if they say nothing bad.
That feeling is very common. Let me explain a word. Assume. Assume means you believe something without clear proof.
So I assume they don't like me.
Yes. And often, it's not true. Many faces look serious when they are just thinking.
I do that too. When I think, I look very serious.
Exactly. So here's a helpful habit. When you feel that fear, say in your head, I don't know yet.
I don't know yet.
Yes. It stops your mind from going to a bad story.
That feels calming.
Good. Another word I want to explain is energy. Energy means the feeling you bring into a room.
Like happy energy or tired energy.
Exactly. And energy spreads. If you feel calm, others often feel calm too.
So if I'm nervous, people can feel that.
Yes, but don't worry. You don't need to be perfect. Just slow down your breath. Relax your shoulders. Speak a little slower.
Slower speaking helps me anyway.
That's great. Slow English is strong English.
I like that sentence.
Now, let's talk about questions. Questions are very important, but not all questions feel good.
Like, what do you do feels boring sometimes.
Yes, it's not bad, but it's neutral. Try adding one soft word. What do you enjoy about your work?
That feels warmer.
Exactly. Enjoy means something makes you happy.
So small word change, big feeling change.
That's right.
Emily, what about when there is silence? I panic in silence.
Silence feels scary, but it's not bad. Silence gives space. You don't need to fill it fast.
So I don't need to talk just to talk.
Number one, a calm pause can feel respectful.
I never thought of silence like that.
Most people don't, but once you understand it, silence feels less heavy.
This is helping me a lot.
I'm glad. Now, one more gentle idea liking people first.
You said that earlier, that people who like others become more likable.
Yes, when you decide, I will try to like this person, your face softens, your voice softens, your body opens.
Even if I don't fully like them?
You don't need to love everyone. Just find one small thing you respect.
Like their honesty or their effort.
Exactly. That's enough.
I feel less pressure now. I don't need to perform.
You never did. You just need to be present.
That word, present, it means here, right now.
Yes, here with the person, not inside your worries.
I want to practice that.
You can. One conversation at a time.
That feels possible.
Good. In the next part, we'll talk about confidence again, but in a very practical way. How small body habits can change how you feel when you speak English. So, Jack, let's stay with that idea of confidence. Not big confidence, not loud confidence, just the quiet kind that helps you speak without fear.
I like quiet confidence. Loud confidence feels fake to me.
You're not alone. Quiet confidence starts in the body, not in the words.
In the body?
Yes, let me explain one small habit breathing. When people feel nervous, their breath becomes fast and shallow.
I do that. I forget to breathe properly.
That's very normal. So before you speak, just slow your breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Slowly.
Oh, that already helps.
Good. When your breath slows, your voice slows too.
And slow voice sounds more confident, right?
Exactly. Confidence is not speed. Confidence is calm.
That changes how I see speaking English.
I'm glad. Now, let's talk about voice tone. Tone means how your voice sounds, not the words.
Like happy tone, tired tone, serious tone.
Yes, and here's something important. When you end every sentence like a question, people feel unsure.
Oh, I do that sometimes. I work in IT?
Many learners do. So try this. When you say a normal sentence, let your voice go down at the end.
I work in IT. That feels stronger.
Yes, that small change tells people, I'm okay with what I said.
Even if my grammar is not perfect?
Especially then. Calm tone builds trust.
Trust. That's another big word.
Let me explain it simply. Trust means people feel they can relax with you. They don't feel danger. They don't feel pressure.
So trust is a feeling.
Yes, and you build it with calm voice, open body, and kind reactions.
This is making speaking feel less scary.
Good. Now, let's talk about eye contact. Many people worry about it.
I never know how much is okay.
Here's an easy rule. You don't need to look all the time. Look when you finish an important sentence.
So, not staring.
Exactly. Staring feels uncomfortable. Natural looking away is okay.
That removes a lot of stress.
That's the idea. Less stress, more ease.
Emily, what about mistakes? I feel bad when I make mistakes.
Let's talk about that feeling. The word is shame. Shame means you feel bad about yourself, not just about the mistake.
Yes, that's it.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them. When you smile gently and continue, people feel relaxed.
So, I don't need to say sorry again and again?
Number one, small sorry is enough. Then continue.
That's freeing.
Now, one last idea for today. Being kind to yourself while speaking.
That's hard.
I know. But try this sentence in your head. I am learning. It's okay.
I am learning. It's okay.
When you believe that, your body softens, your voice softens, and others feel it.
I feel lighter just saying it.
That's because learning is a journey, not a test.
I wish someone told me that earlier.
Now you know. And you can remind yourself again and again.
Thank you, Emily. This conversation feels like a hug.
I'm glad. That means we're doing it right.
So, before we end, can we quickly remember the main feeling?
Of course. Calm, presence, kindness to others and to yourself.
I like that.
And now, a small question for you, our listener. What helps you feel calm when you speak English? Is it slow speaking, deep breathing, or kind people?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening with us today. Take care of yourself. Keep learning. Slowly. Gently.
See you next time. Bye for now.